All right, we are back with the lesson 3 quiz, and let's just jump right into it. Question 1 says, for the question below, choose the number sentence that best describes the question. Kelly has 17 oranges. She keeps 7 and gives the rest to her friends. How many oranges did she give to her friends? So we know that we have 17 oranges on top. She keeps 7 and she gives some number to her friends. Well, what are the number sentences we can draw? We have 17 minus 7 is equal to some number. We also have 17 minus some number is equal to 7. We have 7 plus that number is equal to 17. And we have that some number plus 7 is equal to 17. Let's real quickly count to find what our sum number is. We have 17, or 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 10. So we know that our sum number is 10. I'm just going to go ahead and replace all of my question marks with 10. We put a 10 here, we put a 10 here, we put a 10 here, we put a 10 here. And now we see what the answer is. So we have 20 minus 7 is 13. That's not one of these answers, so we know it's not correct. We have 17 minus 7 is 10. Oh, look at that. 17 minus 7 is 10. So we know that that is going to be the correct answer. But just to be safe, we'll look at the third option. The third option says 7 plus 9 is 16. Well, you could have known that wasn't right from the beginning because we don't have 16 apples. We have 17 apples. So the correct answer was the second answer, 17 minus 7 is 10. Let's move on to question number 2. Question number 2 says, for the question below, choose the number sentence that best describes the question. Nora traveled 9 miles. She ran 4 of them and walked the rest. How many miles did Nora walk? Well, let's draw another diagram. We know that Nora went a total of 9 miles. And we know that she ran 4 of them, and she walked some number. She walked more miles than she ran. Well, let's make some number sentences. We have our total, 9 minus 4 is equal to some number. We have 9 minus some number is equal to 4. We have 4 plus some number is equal to 9. And we have some number plus 4 is equal to 9. So I know my math facts, so I know real quickly that 4 plus 5 is 9. So this number becomes 5. I'll switch all my question marks with a 5. 5, 5, and 5. And then I can check. I have 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 5 plus 4 is 9. So when I go to my answers, I see that I have 9 minus 4 is 5. That is one of my answers. 9 minus 4 is 5. So I know that that's the answer. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed our third math intervention. I hope you're having a great Monday, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great